Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to set up Shopify header. So let's get started. First of all, go to your Shopify admin page. After logging into your Shopify store, go to your Shopify admin page. Click on the online store button from the left side of the bar. After clicking the online store button, click on navigation. A menu drop down will appear. Now click on add menu, that is on the top right corner. Fill the title bar as you wish. Now click on add menu item. A taskbar will appear on the right corner of the screen. Add the name and the links. Now click on the add button. Next, click on the themes button, which is again on the left menu bar of the screen. Now click on the customize button. A menu bar will appear again. Now you have to click on the header button. Click on header. Now many options are appearing: color scheme, background, brand image logo, desktop logo position, mobile logo position. So fulfill all the requirements according to your need. After fulfilling all the requirements, click on the save button. And here you see all the changes which you have done. So that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.